Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix iPhone 17 Pro Max connectivity issues, and I'm gonna fix them now for you, any connectivity issues you got. So the first easy step is just toggling airplane mode. So you just gotta go to your control center and toggle airplane mode just like that, and turn it on for like 10 seconds and then turn it off again, and then refresh your network connections. Now the fix number 2 is restart your iPhone. Now you can just simply hold the power button and restart the device, or you can press on the power icon on the top corner and just restart your phone, because many Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular glitches disappear after a reboot. And then fix number 3 is reset network settings. Just simply go to your settings and then general, scroll down till bottom until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. Just simply press on that and then press on reset. Right over here you'll see the option of reset network settings. Just simply press on that and you're good to go. This fixes most connectivity issues but removes the saved Wi-Fi password. And then the last but not least is just simply going to your general again and then software update, and just make sure that your iPhone is up to date, because Apple often fixes connectivity bugs through software update. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.